Namaskara everyone. Welcome back to Raga Vihara series again. So after a long time I am starting this series again with a very beautiful raga, and this raga is very small and very cute, and it only consists of 5 swaras. So as it only consists of 5 swaras, we call it as Audava raga in Carnatic music. So this raga is called as Mohana. As the name suggests, it's a very joyful raga which helps to uplift your mood. It helps to control the high blood pressure and also helps to control the migraine. So it's a very beautiful raga. So the Arohana and Avrohana of this raga goes like Sari ga pada sa sa da pa ga ri sa. Sari ga pada sa sa da pa ga ri sa. So I will sing 2 lines of Kirtana in this raga. Ra ra Rajiv Lochana Rama Nanu Brovo Chotakura. And again another famous Kirtana is there, you guys might have heard. It's Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Madhura Purisadana Mruduvadana Madhusudanaina Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna. So this Kirtana is also in the Mohana raga. So from this series I am willing to add one of the component again, that is the famous songs, the movie songs that are in this raga. Jenina holeyo halina maleyo sudhiyo kannada savinudiyo. This is one of the song, and another famous song is ಬಾನಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ ಬಾನಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲು ನೀನೆ. So I have selected only 2 very famous songs, but there are so many songs in this Mohana raga. So this is all about the Mohana raga, and if you like this episode, please give it a